Your local area has issued a special civil danger warning statement for Bristol County until further notice. Around 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, mysterious disappearances of people have been reported by local authorities. It is unknown what has happened, but if you see these people, do not go near them as they might be still in danger. Instead, call 911 or other emergency officials. Please stay tuned for further details and updates on the situation. This is the emergency alert system. We will now return to regular scheduled programming. Again, I repeat, this is a civil danger warning statement.